See, only 23 participants have joined. We'll begin the class. Okay. Just start with a small prayer. We'll begin with a small prayer. Okay. Good morning once again. All of you, please. Do you have your textbooks with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Those who have, will just read the poem once. Shri Hari, let me tell you very clearly. Please stop the habit of always raising the hand, because I know whom to ask. If there are any questions which nobody is able to answer, and if I say, can anyone answer them, it's okay. Because it's quite irritating. You always raising your hand sitting like this in this posture throughout the class. Don't do that, okay? Because there are many students in the class. I have to ask many students. Everyone has to get the chance. Please try to understand. Okay, fine. Let's begin with a poem. Navneet, do you have the textbook with you?
Yes.
Okay, just start reading the first stanza. Wait. Navneet, please unmute.
A flock of sheep leisurely passes by, one after one. The sound of rain and bees murmuring, the far off rivers, wind and sea, smooth fields, white sheet of water and pure sky.
Okay, very good. Then Manjima, read the next. After your chance is over, okay, Navneet has muted already, thank you. Second stanza.
I have thought of all wild birds, and yet do lie sleepless, and soon the small birds' melodies must hear. First a third from my orchard tree, and the first cuckoo's melancholy cry.
Melancholy. Okay, Manjima, it's melancholy cry. Okay, good. Next stanza. Ojas, please read.
Even thus, last night and 2 nights more, I lay and could not win thee sleep by any stealth. So do not let me wear tonight away without thee what is all the morning's wealth.
Continue.
Come, blessed barrier between day and day, dear mother of fresh thoughts and joyous health.
Okay, that's it. Now, I'll ask you a few questions. This poem titled To Sleep is written by which author? Adidev, can you give me the answer? Who wrote the poem? Who wrote the poem? Very good, William Wordsworth. Okay. Now, say 2 sentences about William Wordsworth. Isha.
Yes, ma'am.
Say 2 sentences about William Wordsworth.
William Wordsworth is called the nature's poet.
Wow, wonderful. He's called the nature's poet. Then one more sentence.
He used simple languages in his poems.
Simple language in his poems. Wonderful. Very good. Now, Glenn, one more point. Wait, Glenn. Yes.
One more point. I have written the famous poem Daffodils.
And? Daffodils and?
Only daffodils. I didn't get time. Yesterday only
Okay, you remember only daffodils. Okay, Glenn, can you add to the points that Isha told just now about William Wordsworth?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the other famous poem written by William Wordsworth that I mentioned in the class?
And that I don't know.
That you don't know. Okay, anything else that you know about William Wordsworth?
He lost his parents at the age of 15.
Okay, right. Then Do you remember how many poems has he written?
14.
How many poems has he written in his lifetime? No. Okay. Who can add to that points? Yes, Ellen.
He wrote 387
Poems. Okay. And Selin, do you remember what is the name of the other famous poem that William Wordsworth wrote? Apart from Daffodils? No. You do not, nobody remembers? Is there anyone who remembers? I wrote it on the board that day. Yes, Izan.
Solitary Reaper.
Exactly, the Solitary Reaper. I hope I had given you the points in the WhatsApp, right? Did I send the points in the WhatsApp about William Wordsworth? No. Izan? Izan, had I sent the points about William? Yes, I had sent the points, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So Solitary Reaper. Now tell me the speciality of this poem. What type of poem is this? Who can say this? Who can say the answer? Mayuk? Mayuk is sitting very sadly. What happened, Mayuk? Is everything all right with you?
Ma'am.
Okay. Mayuk, this is a poem and this is a poem with 14 lines. Can you give me the name of a poem that has 14 lines? It is known by a special name. What is it called?
Sonnet.
Sonnet, exactly. Sonnet is a poem with 14 lines with a specific rhyming pattern. In the last class, we saw how to decide the rhyming pattern. And apart from that, each line consists of a specific number of syllables. How many syllables does, yes, exactly, 10. Very good. Okay, now getting into the notes. What is the meaning of the word leisurely? Leisurely. Yes, Kirtana?
With a relaxed manner.
Yes, in a relaxed manner. Melodies. Who can give me the answer of the word melodies? Melodies. Yes, Srihari.
Sweet music.
Sweet music. Very good. Next. Melancholy. Melancholy. Please get the pronunciation of the word correctly. The word is pronounced as melancholy. Who can give me the meaning of melancholy? Yes, Siddhi.
In a sad mood.
With a sad mood. Yeah? With a sad mood. And the next word is wear away. Wear away. Niranjan, do you remember what is wear away? Yes, Ryan. Wear away. Wear away.
Waste.
Waste. Yes. Waste. Now the next word is joyous. Who can give the meaning of joyous? Joyous. Anybody else? Joyous. Well, all are sitting very glum today. Yes, Devash. Joyous.
Full of joy.
Full of joy. Correct. Now, antonyms. Krishna. Krishna, what is the antonym of the word smooth? Smooth.
Soft.
Antonym. I'm asking antonym. Antonym is the opposite. What is the antonym of the word smooth? Maria. Okay, Krishna, did you get it? It's rough. Then, Ashwin, win. W-I-N, win. Win. Antonym of win. Antonym of win. Haira, pay attention here. Yes, Mayuk?
Loose.
Loose. Can you spell it?
L-O-S-E.
L-O-S-E. It's not L-O-S-E. Okay, L-O-S-E, loose. Next is blessed. Who can give me the antonym of the word blessed? Alessandra, do you know it? Manjima? Blessed. The same people are giving the answer. I want different students answer the questions. Ojas? Ojas, please unmute. What's the antonym of blessed?
Cursed.
Cursed. C-U-R-S-E-D. Cursed. Okay, very good. Fresh. Prithvi. Prithvi. Fresh. Antonym of fresh. You don't know. Krishna? Huh? No, don't give me guesses. I want to correct because I had already, sorry? I had already given you the notes and I asked you to read it and come. Krishna, do you remember the antonym of fresh? Antonym of fresh. Yes, Manas. Manas, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the antonym of the word fresh? Yes, Navneet. Navneet. Please give me the answer. I don't know, is it because of the network connection or something? All are very slow today, not at all active. For spirit, no energy, no enthusiasm. What happened? Who can give me the meaning of, sorry, the antonym of the word fresh? Yes, Aditi.
Stale.
Stale. Very good. The answer should come spontaneously. I don't want this lagging. Okay. Now, next past tense forms of the word think. Rudra. What is the past tense of think? Think.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I cannot unmute that time.
Wait. Am I not audible to you? Can you hear me? Wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Am I audible to you? Is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is
Yes,
clear.
Rudra, give me the past tense of the word think.
Thought.
Thought. Okay, fine. And can you spell it?
Thought.
Okay, very good. Win. W-I-N. Win. Manav. One.
You repeat the question, ma'am.
Win. The past tense of win.
Lose.
The past tense. Listen to the question carefully, Manav. I am asking the past tense of the verb win. W-I-N. Okay. Spelling?
W-O-N.
Wow, correct. Now here, next one here. T-A-R, here. Riza. Here. Spelling?
H-E-A-R-D.
Yeah, correct. Next, sleep. Niranjan. Sleep. Slept. Spell it.
S-E-P-L-T.
Okay. Now, who can give me the answer of this question? What are the things? What are the things that the poet thinks about when he is unable to sleep? What are the things that the poet thinks about when he is unable to sleep? Felix, are you there? Yes, Sarah. Give me the answer.
He count the numbers of sheep
Then.
passing by. The sound of rain,
Yeah.
wind, and the
Seas. Sound of rain and fall of rivers. Fall of rivers, winds and seas. Then.
Smooth
Next.
fields.
Smooth fields. Yes, then white sheets of water.
White sheets of.
What happens, Sarah? Oh, this is not the way you used to say the answer. No energy at all. And pure sky. So, 7 things, 7 different things of the nature were imagined by the poet when he lied sleepless in his bed. So all the 7 things you have to say when this question is asked. Okay, fine. According to the poet, what is the barrier which comes between a day and another? Janvi, what is the